Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Karina from Per Diem Thrifts. If you are new here, welcome. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark. I also own my own brick and mortar consignment business. Today I am tackling my back office. I am trying to clean it. YouTube is hearing it first. Per Diem Thrift Shop is moving location. Signed my lease the other day and I was walking past the new place and they're already like putting work into it, like fixing it up so that I will be ready to move in September 1st, potentially sooner. And it's already freaking August 3rd. So as you can imagine, my brain is just a little bit overwhelmed, a little bit going crazy because of all the things that I have to do before I move. But first thing is first, I kind of gotta clean my office. I feel like once my office back here is clean, a little bit of like packing might get done, but once it's all kind of like organized a little bit more back here, I feel like I'll be able to get all the other stuff necessary done. I'm like, should I even clean though, or should I just pack and like get ready to move? It's literally like 5 stores down from where I'm currently at, but it's street level, so I won't have to rent a truck or anything. We're probably just gonna walk everything down the block, but I still need to get it all sorted out because like look at what it looks like right now. It is a hot mess, and this is all my inventory, and that's just the back office. That's not counting all of the inventory on the sales floor that I'm gonna have to move. So we're taking one day at a time. Throughout all this, I still have to do all my regular listings, help customers when they come into the store, and all that jazz. But like I said, I just need to start organizing. I already kind of started, but I was like, you know what, this would actually be a good video to make. So I stopped, I paused mid-clean so that I could instead record myself cleaning, because that's what YouTubers do. So right now we are cleaning my main desk. This is a standing desk that I got from FlexiSpot. Shout out FlexiSpot, they're amazing. I actually have 2 of these standing desks. There's another one right there, because I have to also set up a whole new inventory system. I got like a new label printer and a bunch of things that I have to set up. So I'm trying to organize my desk so that I'll have space to put all of the new hardware and all of that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Before for what my desk looked like, but this is the after, and honestly I know it doesn't look crazy, but this is so much cleaner. I just always had random tags or memory cards, batteries and stuff just like randomly on this desk. Since there's no drawers on these, you know, standing desks, it does get a little bit hard, but this is great. I'm not going to set that up right this second. I'll do that later when I have a little bit more time. The main focus here is to clean. So let's move on to my other desk. This has a bunch of boxes of all of the like new things that I got in. So for example, I got a new credit card processing machine, and I got a new, this is all receipt paper. I got a new binder. Look how cute this friggin' binder is. I got this from the Dollar Tree and it is so stinking cute. I'm obsessed. And then I got these folders inside. This was like a separate pack, but I got these because I just want to stay a little bit more organized with all the paperwork that I have to have for this whole moving. Like I can have a copy of my lease in here and insurance and just all of those things. I have it in like a really nice place. Of course I have digital copies as well, but this is the funny part. Look at how many beverages I have on this desk. I have 1, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think there's another one back there, 7, 8. So we're just gonna tidy this up really quick, so hope you enjoy time lapses. This guy weighs 30 pounds. And funny thing is, I bought a whole box of receipt paper, but I didn't buy the actual receipt printer. So I tried to return this and they wanted me to pay $50 for the return shipping. The item cost $100, so I would have only gotten like $50 back. So I was just like, you know what? I'll just keep it, I'll hold on to it, and then later on I'll buy a receipt printer. So I gotta find somewhere to store this for now. This is technically supposed to be my shipping station. I just never use it as a shipping station because I always have all my shit on it, and so there's never room. For the last month, I'm gonna try to keep it as clean as possible so that I can actually use it as a shipping table. And then this will obviously just move into the other office as my shipping table as well. All of this stuff right behind me is probably the most daunting task. Actually, that's not true. All of it's pretty daunting. But this is my Poshmark inventory, and also just like random stuff that I shove in boxes that I just forget about. I probably am going to have to do like a full inventory haul. Maybe I'll do a sale. I actually might do a like a name your own price sale before I move, just to try to get rid of some of this stuff as well. If you guys missed my last video, I made a whole video about different kinds of sales that you can run in your closet. So name your own price sale was one of them. It's probably my favorite kind of sale to run, but that's probably what I'm gonna do to offload some of this inventory. But for now, I'm just gonna try to make it look a little bit nicer. So we're gonna do a little haul of inventory that's been hiding in my office. I think these were actually either a donation from somebody. These are like a pair of pants that I would never pick up. These are by Tribal, and they're just like a plaid pant. These are Old Navy like leggings. These have a Goodwill tag, so I think I might have actually, now I remember, I bought these for a styling client, and these were her nose, and then I just never got around to returning any of them at Goodwill, so I'm kind of stuck with them now, which is great. Oh, these are Beta brand. I'm pretty sure I have these listed in my closet, so I'm gonna put those in my inventory. Here is a pair of faux leather pants. I mean, like, I bought these already, so I might as well. I have this in my store, but in a different size, I'm pretty sure. This one is Target. I should have put all these in my fill-a-bag sale. I'm probably not going to sell this one because the other one's not doing very well. And then this pair of boots that I do have listed on Poshmark, but I might also put it in my store. So we emptied that, but now my shipping table is messy again. So these ones are getting donated. This one has to get inventoried, so I'll put it there. And then these guys are going to go out onto the floor, so I'll put it there. And this one's going to go out onto the floor too. There you go. A consignment client brought this box in, and when I saw her walk in, I got really excited, but she just had other purses in the box. She had like Coach and Marc Jacobs, but there was unfortunately no Louis Vuitton. She said I could just have the box, so I was like considering selling it, but it's not in the best shape, so I think I might just toss this or maybe donate it. I don't know if someone would want that at Goodwill. I might just keep the dust bag. Maybe I can sell the dust bag, but I will get rid of the box because I really don't need it. When I move to my new store, I don't want this to be this situation anymore. I'm definitely going to grow my online store, so I want this all to be full with bins. Depending on how long you guys have been following me, I used to have my office in my house. I actually just honestly rented another apartment in my building, and it was like a studio, and I had my whole office in there. I had 3 of these, and they were all full of inventory, so it's probably gonna look more like that when I move into the new space and just grow again like my online Poshmark with different items than I sell in my store. But while it's been down here, it kind of just became like this catch-all of things that I don't even know what's in here. So most of this stuff is probably just gonna get donated, but we're gonna look through these guys over here, not my inventory. And then obviously, like, I don't know if you can see that, but this is all just junk, so we'll see what's in there. And now we're going to see what is in here. All of the things that I bought from Temu or whatever, I just threw them on this thing. I definitely have to, I haven't even used it yet. I definitely have to find better organization for all of my stationery stuff. This is literally from when I first opened my store, so I could probably toss that. This is not important. I've got a charger that I also bought a really long time ago and haven't used, but I can definitely use that. Got a bunch of sticky notes. I got this on Temu as well. I think I'll probably wear it around like not Christmas, Halloween time, but it's super cute. But there really is just like random stuff in here. Oh, this is a broken earring, so that can be trashed. I don't know why I bought these. I bought these off of Facebook Marketplace a long ass time ago. They were like the Supreme and Oreo collab, and I don't even think these are good enough. You can't eat them anymore, I'm pretty sure, because I bought them so long ago, and I feel like they could be cracked too. I don't know. Part of me wanted to like frame them, but I don't know if that's like chuggy or not, or if it's cool. I have no idea. TBD what I'm gonna do with these, but if you have any insight on whether these are still worth any money, let me know. Probably not. Most of this stuff in here though is like stationery stuff, like I mentioned, so I think I do need to get a better stationery organization. I got a Vendu sticker, super cute. I've also got more Vendu stickers. I've got a lot of stickers in here. I got this charger thing. I've got a lot of chargers in here that I have no idea where they go to. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to figure out a better way to organize all of this stuff. I found this guy that was also on the shelf, and I emptied her out, so the desk is looking a little messy, but you know, it's always a storm. Like, it always gets messier before it gets better. But I'm gonna put all of my stationery stuff in here. That's the game plan. I found my old name tags from my old jobs. This is when I worked at a currency exchange, and then this one is when I worked at a sushi restaurant, and this is where I met Charlie. And they used to call me KK because nobody wanted to know how to spell my name. All done, and that feels so good. Honestly, I finally kind of, I mean, this bottom drawer here kind of ended up turning into like a catch-all, but it's okay. It's so much better than being scattered. I'm gonna save this because I might need this when I move. And then this light right here, so I'm just gonna leave those there until I start building a box that like to pack. Then I'll put those in there. And I know it probably doesn't look that much different, but I feel like I got a lot done. This box here is shipping supplies, so I might just move that up there with the other shipping supplies. This bag right here is my Cricut machine, so haven't even touched that since I moved in here. Literally put it on the shelf and then never opened it. But I want to get into that more later. There's some inventory in here that I need to list, and then maybe inventory. More shipping supplies here. These are hair clips that I will be selling in my new shop. I just haven't found a place to put them yet. And then this is all inventory that I need to put into this inventory as well, so I can work on that right now. This is why I was supposed to clean today. I already found an item that I have been looking for days that sold on Poshmark. It was like hiding in a box that it wasn't supposed to be in, so I packaged that up. I also found poly mailers because I've made a couple sales on platforms that don't allow me to use the priority mail, which is like pretty much all the shipping supplies that I have. So even though it says eBay on it, I did make a sale on my website, perdiemthrifts.com. If you guys don't know, I do sell some items on there, and it's usually items that I don't have for sale on Poshmark. So if you guys are ever looking for things, or if you see something on my shop Instagram, perdiemthriftshop on Instagram, I sell through my website, so you can always ask me for like a cheaper deal on there as well. So really happy now I can ship out those sales and then keep on organizing things. So it's a little bit later. I feel like I am kind of tapped out on cleaning today, but I did a really good job. I'm like really proud of myself. This is exactly what I needed. I feel like, especially now, look at the floor. Like the floor is empty. You can actually see my carpet. I actually need to vacuum this. Maybe I'll just vacuum it real quick and then I'll be done for the day. But I'm feeling a lot better. I have so many other things that I have to do to prep for this move. Like I have to set up all the new hardware that I was telling you guys about, prep inventory, clear out inventory, all of those things. Tomorrow is actually another First Friday that we're having here, and I need to tag all of this. half of this and another rack out there. So I think that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing more of these like moving, cleaning, prepping kind of vlogs for the new space. Stay tuned also for a shop tour of the new space. All my content really is going to be pretty much about this store now. So I'm really excited to share all of that with you guys, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye!